And now for the post, you want to make sure that the post that you plan to use to actually cut the part is selected here in your current post processor. Pick OK there.
Yeah, okay. Can you list the posts that we have and talk a little bit about the programmable post also?
Okay. So we got, the product ships with well over 300 different post processors, and these have been proven compatible with various controllers on various routers. So basically, if you know the controller software on your router, then it would correlate with one of these posts. If for some reason that we don't have a post in this list for your particular machine, you could just drop us an email and we will we do some assistance with post development. Now, post development does require annual maintenance subscription to be active. Once you're active on AMS, then we can help you create a post if we start on this list.
No, I mean, actually, anything that we create, I just don't want to get into the sales aspect of it a little bit, but it is an extra cost item for creating new posts. And also a note about the post processors here. There might be a post processor that we wrote for a particular customer that we have included in this library. That might not, you might have the same controller in your shop, but that particular post might need a little tweaking, because the setups are slightly different. So things of that sort we can handle quickly if you have AMS, small changes to the existing post. But if you have a new machine that we don't have, those will be extra cost items. So just wanted to make sure that customers understand that. And also, I also want to stress that just because there is a post here that matches your controller, it might not work exactly like you want it. You might want certain things turned on at the startup of the program, certain things turned off. You might have different kinds of cooling systems, coolant systems, and things of that sort. So these posts might still need some tweaking, even if it works on the controller. Thanks, Don.
Okay. And also at the top, we have two options: use legacy post, use programmable post. Legacy just means that you can select from your standard list of posts down here. It's called legacy because it was the way we did it all the time of the product, and then we introduced the programmable post, and this was then referred to as the legacy post. If you know how to do scripting, you can use the programmable post option to do a lot of dynamic things while you post.
Yeah, these are Python scripts, and we would suggest that if you have a 5-axis or a 4-axis machine, we would recommend using a Python post, and we would also recommend that we write it for you because it can get quite complicated. So,
okay, so that's basically the post options.